Spreadsheet for data and analysis, unlocking insight from your data. Why spread matter? Global reach used by over 750 million people worldwide, approximately 10% of the global population. Accessible data management. Manage and analyze structure. Data without needed complex software or coding skills. Industry standard. Microsoft Excel dominates the market while Google Sheet other powerful free alternative for collaboration. The power of formula automated and calculate. Spreadsheets formula are the backbone of efficient data analysis, enabling automated calculation and dynamic insight. Automate calculation. Leverage essential functions like a sum, average, if count, and many more to process data quickly. Practical example. Convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius with a simple formula instantly, updating the value of the needed. Quickly summarize. Formula enable rapid numeric summaries for critical business areas such as sales performance, budget, and tracking, and financial report. Data operation made easy. Unlock hidden pattern and actionable insight through the intuitive data operation. Sort and filter. Quickly find trends and author by organizing database on a specific criteria. Aggregate data. Summarize information using function to like split and count for group calculation. Join datasets. Combine information from multiple sources using XLOOKUP for deeper analytical insight. Pivot table. Your data switch Army knife. Pivot table are in- indispensable for condensing visit amount of data into digestible summaries, making complex analysis straightforward. Summaries and structure effortlessly transform large data sets into the meaningful summaries. Dynamic analysis. Analyze sales performance by region, product category, or time period with intuitive drag and drop functionality. Comparative insight easily compare metrics such as average temperature between EU and non-EU cities to identify key difference. Visual storytelling with charts and graphs. Transform complex data into compiling visual narratives. Reveal patterns. Create insightful for charts, line graphs, and character plots to uncover hidden trend and relationship within your data. Dynamic visualization. Utilize animated race charts to visualize changes over time, such as a sales growth or market share shift. Clear communication. Visual aids are essential for communicating complex insight, clarify, and effectively to stockholder and decision maker. AI power analysis. The new frontier. Artificial intelligence is revolutionary, revolutionizing how we interact with an exact insight from spreadsheet, making advanced analysis accessible to everyone. Instant summarize tools like Excel and analyze data and see us provided immediate insight and trend from your datasets. Natural language queries. Ask questions in plain language and receive automatically generate charts, pivot table, or data summarize. Accelerate decision making. AI help you quickly surface critical trends, anomaly, anomalies, and potential opportunities, automating and then use analysis tasks. Real world example from raw data actionable insight. Import raw data. Begin by importing CSV data containing city and temperature and population into your spreadsheet. Clean and convert. Utilize formula to clean the data, ensure consistency and converting unit as the needed. Fahrenheit to Celsius. Analyze and visualize. Construct the pivot table to identify pattern like hottest regions and visualize the insight with compiling charts. AI enhanced discovery. Apply AI tools to automatically highlight unexpected pattern out here or significantly correlation in your analysis data. Limitation and when to upgrade. When a powerful spreadsheets have their boundaries, scalability their fault. Spreadsheets efficiently handled hundreds or of thousands of cells, but performance degrade within massive datasets. Complex analytics. For increased analysis, such as finding the closest cities pairs to advanced ge- geospatial data, SQL or business intelligence, BI tools or more suitable. Transition point. Recognize when to migrate to advanced analytic platform to ensure scalability, robust data governance, and specialized functionalities. Transform your data today. Master essential, learn fundamental skills, powerful formula, dynamic and pivot table, and insightful charts. Em- Embrace AI. Integrate AI future to accelerate your path to data drive insight. Competently decide, convert raw number into informed and competent business decision. No coding required. Explore your story. Begin exploring the rich story hidden within your data with a versatile versatile for power of spreadsheets now.